Hello guys, and here I have in front of you is a actually mint in a box Galaxy box fan from 2003 to 2004. I got this fan a few years ago, well 4 years ago, off Marketplace along with like four new in the box. And I actually have 3 of these now. The other one I had sold on eBay. I have no idea who has it. I have not seen a video of it, so it was probably an anonymous customer off of eBay. But if you're watching this video, I hope to see the 4th one that I have that I sold to you on video. But these fans are like a pioneer to my fan collection, even though I did not collect any of these. My family member, my aunt, had a handful of these Lansco and Galaxy fans from Walmart, and despite this being from 2003, this fan would cost like $10 to $15 less than that $37.33 from today's era in 2025. These were like $10 back in the day, and it's ridiculous how these prices are just it's just ridiculous how these prices are just outrageous nowadays just for a box fan. And it's not even this kind of box fan that's being made anymore, especially under the Galaxy logo. But so far I'm actually going to keep my remaining 3 because these are like I said, true childhood fans, and these are pioneers to my fan collection as far as me seeing them, and as far as me, playing around with them too, switching them on and off while I'm mods. But I'm very glad to have one of these mint in the box because you don't see any of these anymore, even though they're starting to like pop up off of like Marketplace and so, but not like new in the mint in the box, not like a mint in a box one. I'm very pleased to have this. So as you can see, this is Galaxy. I miss this style so much. Like, this is actually a true image to my childhood, even though it's like 20 plus years old now. This fan's 22 years old now. And it's crazy how time flies. And it's a 20-inch box fan, high performance movement, compact design, lightweight, quiet, energy efficient, and a 1-year warranty. It says cool, conserve, and save. And we go on the top. Model 4733. Even though the box says 2001, but this fan on the bottom is stamped as 2003. But this is actually the first time this box has been introduced, even though some of them were made in 2000. So I don't get that because I have a 2000s Galaxy box fan. So gotcha. As you can see, love this style so much. And yes, I wrote on here as as I wrote this as my second one because this is the second one that I actually opened out of the 4 I had. 20-inch box. The other box is the same too. The other side is the same too. But here it is. As I said, this fan is actually mint in a box. It's clean. No specks of like anything on top. And this is Galaxy. And yes, you may be wondering, how come this fan has a hole inside? How come this blade has the hole for ventilation? Well, here's the story. When I got my Galaxy box fans, they've actually had like a product defect. Like these blades, like this original blade set. The original blade set was actually heavier for the motor, and it was way thicker. That blade set is on a different fan at the moment, but I decided to take that blade off and stick it onto another one on another fan that I won't be using for a while. And I decided to put this wind machine blade on here from 2001. I took that off of my wind machine and put it on here, and honestly, this is how they should have made them. It actually looks great with the hole on the blade. And I'll turn to the side. As you can see, something's different. This one doesn't have holes for the stand, which is very strange because after 2003 they still made them with holes in the stand. So I guess they were trying something new or trying to cheapen themselves out, which I could be right about the cheapen themselves part out, but it's unfortunate. But at least you get what you can get, and that's what I've got. There's the back too. Motor windings are actually immaculate. It's kind of dirty because I was actually using it for a couple of days, but well, like a couple of weeks. So, and this fan's not that bad for what it is. It's definitely powerful. So, without further ado, here is high. It's so powerful, it's actually moving itself back. I thought it was going to fall. Yes, it does have that whisper sound too, so, but I like it though. I'm one of the few that like this sound actually, and it can be pretty annoying when I consistently hear it. Very great gentle medium to it too. It's not fast and it's not slow. This is actually how they were supposed to be made. Very, very quiet on low. And although you probably can hear background noise in the back, my Ultra Force is on in the back. But yes, you could barely hear this fan at all. Don't go blurry now. But yeah, it's very quiet. Back to medium. And here's high. Definitely a time capsule. And this fan made me some oil too, despite it not being oiled ever in this life for over 20 years. So probably around spring cleaning, I'll probably go ahead and just oil it. But yes, definitely capture these fans and get these fans as fast as you can, because these fans are the next vintage fans out there, and unfortunately with these prices in the world we live in today, these prices will go up. So definitely get one if you can. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video I have in store for you guys. Thank you.